This smart TV from Panasonic has 4K Ultra HD resolution, which has 4 times the clarity of a full HD TV. It comes in 3 sizes: 43, 49 and 55 inch. The HDR feature offers clarity and details in pictures and lets you see rich colors even in dark scenes. The IPS technology offers a wide 178-degree viewing angle that allows you to enjoy lifelike picture quality with minimal color shift irrespective of where you watch the TV from. The recommended viewing distance of the 43-inch TV is 4 to 10 feet, while that of the 49-inch TV is 6 to 12 feet and 55-inch TV is 6 to 13 feet. Enjoy smart features with the Home OS operating system. Download apps from the apps market to watch movies, TV shows and play games. With the easy mirroring feature, you can cast your phone screen onto your TV easily. With the Netflix button on the remote, it is easy to navigate through the online collection of movies. The TV has 3 HDMI and 2 USB ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices like a set-top box, DVD player and pen drive. Enjoy cinema surround sound with the 20 watts box speakers. The TV comes with a brand warranty, free installation and demo. A remote and base stands are included in the box. Check the product page for attractive no-cost EMI and exchange offers and details on scheduled delivery.